Hey Brainsprouts family, it's your math buddy Robby here. Last time, we learned how to divide things equally. But, what happens when the numbers don't play nice and won't split evenly? Today, we're meeting a new math friend, remainders. Imagine this, you have 10 candies and 3 friends. You give 1 candy, 2 candies, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then, oh no, there's 1 candy left that doesn't fit in the groups. That lonely candy is called a remainder. When we divide and there's something left over that doesn't fit equally into the groups, that leftover is the remainder. It's the number that's left behind after you share as much as you can. Let's do this together. Example 1, 22 divided by 5. Step 1, how many 5s can we fit inside 22? 4 groups, because 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Step 2, what's left over? 22 minus 20 equals to 2. Answer, 22 divided by 5 equals to 4, remainder 2. Remainders are everywhere in real life. If 25 kids are riding in vans with 6 seats each, 4 vans are full, but 1 kid has no seat. Remainder equals to 1. If you cut 17 pizza slices and put 4 slices on each plate, you'll fill 4 plates, but 1 slice is left over. Remainder equals to 1. If 19 coins in a video game are shared among 2 players, each gets 9 and there's 1 coin left. Remainder equals to 1. See? Remainders aren't just math, they're life. Okay, Brainsprouts, time for a quick challenge. I'll give you some division problems. Try to solve them before I reveal the answer. Ready? Question 1, 13 divided by 4 equals 2. Question 2, 29 divided by 6 equals 2. Question 3, 15 divided by 2 equals 2. Did you get them? The answers are 13 divided by 4 equals to 3, remainder 1, 29 divided by 6 equals to 4, remainder 5, 15 divided by 2 equals to 7, remainder 1. How many did you get right? High five if you got them all. Here's a secret trick to check your division with remainders. Multiply the divisor by the answer, then add the remainder. If it equals the starting number, you're correct. Example, 22, 5, Soroska 4, remainder, 2, check. 5 multiplied by 4, plus 2, equals to 20, plus 2, equals to 22. Perfect! Alright Brainsprouts, it's time for your assignment. I want you to try these division problems at home. Remember, if it doesn't divide perfectly, write down the remainder. Here are your questions. 1. 14 divided by 3 equals 2. 2. 25 divided by 4 equals 2. 3. 32 divided by 5 equals 2. 4. 19 divided by 6 equals 2. 5. 27 divided by 8 equals 2. Write your answers in your notebook, or if you're watching on YouTube, share them in the comments below so Robby can check your math. Good luck, Brainsprouts. I can't wait to see your answers. Next time on Brainsprouts, we'll take division to the next level with long division, the superhero version of division that can handle big numbers. So don't miss it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Brainsprouts adventure. Alright, Brainsprouts, remember, division doesn't always split perfectly, and that's okay. When there's something left over, just say, that's my remainder.